Hello, hello. Jillian Saprika here from Team Tim McKinney Realtor Reporter. Tim is on location with Chris King. Tim?
Thanks, Jillian. We're here at the Quinte Business Development Center, and we're here with Chris King, the CEO of QEDC. Hi, Chris.
Yeah, glad to be here. Thanks, Tim.
Yes. Can you tell us a little bit about this center? Because it brings together a bunch of organizations that help with small businesses.
It sure does. The Quinte Business Development Center is a home to a number of business and economic development agencies that are all co-located in one space. And as you mentioned, it's a one-stop shop for business and economic development.
And there's some big things happening in this Quinte area. And kudos to you. I hear that you're on a mission next week. And you're going to meet some big companies looking to establish not only in Canada, but they may be establishing in the Quinte area.
Yeah, so Quinte Economic Development Commission represents the City of Belleville, the City of Quinte West, and the Municipality of Brighton. And those three communities work together on a regional economic development strategy really focused on the advanced manufacturing sector. So advanced manufacturing, food processing, logistics, and technology. And two things, investment attraction as well as retention. And those three communities really work well. And as you know, you're the board chair of Quinte Economic Development, and we have a fantastic partnership with municipalities and a lot of great business leaders sitting on the board to make that happen.
Yeah, this is all exciting, and I'm on the board. I'm excited about the team that we're leading, and you're doing a great job.
Yep,
so
thank
congratulations.
You.